You probably clicked on this video because you're broke. Well, lucky for you, I'm gonna go over the exact method I used to make so much money at 16 years old. What I do is called reselling, and I'm basically buying all these designer and electronics, and I'm gonna resell them on Facebook Marketplace or eBay. I sell all kinds of AirPods. As you guys can see, these are brand new. They look fucking pristine quality, and I'm able to make so much money is because all these are one-to-one products, and I'm getting them for way cheaper than the original price. This Dyson hairdryer only cost me $80. This denim tear hoodie only cost me $60, and all these AirPods costed about $20 each. And keep in mind, guys, I'm reselling each of these products for a little over $300 each. So if I sell one of these a day, I'm making over 6 figures per year. Now, in order to get one-on-one products, you're gonna need to find a vendor or a supplier, and it's kind of hard to find a good one, as a lot of the times they have shit product or the shipping is really long. Lucky for you guys, I made a website in the description of this video, and you can get all my personal private suppliers, and they're all tested by me, guys. As you can see, the quality on these things are fucking insane. Even these AirPods and AirPod Maxes have valid serial numbers along with Apple Care. Like, these things are completely identical, guys. Just to prove it to you guys, here it matches both the serial numbers. It's got a warranty and everything. Let me show you guys the AirPod Max as well. There's a serial number. You can double check. Let me show you the AirPod Max. Bang, look at that, guys. Identical, dude. Now that you have a basic understanding of how reselling works, let me show you guys how to start right now. First things first, you're going to want to figure out which product you want to resell. If you don't have a lot of money, I definitely recommend AirPod Pros 2 because you can buy these for $30 and then resell them for $150. But if you do have the money to start, definitely recommend the AirPod Max because you can buy these for $100 and then resell them for over $400. So it's an insane profit margin. Now that you know which product you want to resell, you're going to want to head over to that website I told you about earlier, and you're going to want to buy the supplier for that. And then go ahead and order the product from the supplier, and shipping's around like 5 to 10 days depending on where you are. Now that your product just came in, I'm going to show you which apps to sell them on. Go ahead and download all these apps right here. Make sure to download Facebook Marketplace though, because this is the main one I'm going to go over, as I think selling in person is way more profitable than actually shipping the product out on eBay and other apps. Let me just show you guys quickly. Look how many sales I'm getting. 23 plus messages per day. Look at all this, man. So many people want my shit, and it's just the freest money ever in person. All right, let me show you how to make a listing on Facebook Marketplace without getting banned or taken down. So you're gonna wanna join my Discord in the description, and you're gonna wanna use these pictures in the quality check channel, as these pictures are very high quality and they'll bring a lot of viewers to your listing. So go ahead and create listing and single item. All right, so put the pictures in up here as the ones from my Discord. If you don't have good quality pictures, you're probably not going to get a lot of sales, so I would really recommend going to my Discord and using those photos. And for the title, just put AirPod Pros 2 or whatever product you're selling. And the price, I would recommend starting high, and then if people don't buy it, just go lower. Now for category, you can just put whatever. It doesn't really matter. Now a very crucial tip is for the condition to be as used like new. If you do new, Facebook will auto detect that, and then it'll ban you instantly, so you don't want to just waste an account like that. In the description, you can tell them it's brand new and it's AirPod Pro 2 and it's real or one-on-one, whatever. It's completely up to you. You guys can just copy my description and everything else on here if you guys want. Now you just wait for people to message you. And one more thing you can do to promote your listing is to boost it. And I personally do $3 a day, and that works really well for me. And make sure when you meet people, you do it at a public area like a park or something. You guys can also get authentic receipts if you buy the receipt generator on my website. It's $15 for a lifetime access, and you get receipts like this, and this will 100% validate your purchase and you get more customers. You can also resell these denim tear hoodies and spider hoodies on StockX, as they are that good quality that they will pass the verification even though they are one-on-one. I've sent in about 10 and only 2 have been declined, and that's very good because you can sell each of these on StockX for a little over $400. Now, if you want more of a one-on-one mentorship on how to resell reps or how to sell even vendors even, I do offer a reselling course for $50 lifetime. It's very good. I highly recommend it. That's about it for me, guys. I do have a free reselling guide in my Discord. If you guys want more information on how to resell, just keep going, guys, and you make a shit ton of money. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.